back to Jill in the kitchen. Hope you're all doing well. So this is gonna be a quick one. So I will be unboxing with you tonight my J2 Norma juicer. And this was introduced to me by no other than Michi Boo. So guys, go over to Michi Boo and show her some love. She has some great juices, great food, and a great lot of stuff going on over our channel, Michi Boo. Really anxious to see what's in the box. So tonight we're gonna open this box. So here it is, this big brown box. And go ahead and take out what's there. Look like a piece of luggage. Put this here. Okay, so see what it looks like here. And a lot of food's going on in the box. Nice box, nice white. So first of all, this is really a beautiful packaging. Wow, really? It's really beautiful packaging. So let's get this going. Oh, nice and easy. That's it. Here it is. If you could read, let's see what it says. It says, a warm welcome from Norma. Thank you. And then if you look, you see the boxes. So you have the base, you have the chamber set, you got the pusher cleaning brushes, you have the juice container, and you have the smoothie strainer. So let's start with the base. Get the base out of the box. Put everything here. So that's the base. And this part, no, this is not the base. This is the chamber set. That's the chamber set. This is the base. It's a little bit heavier, right? Wow, this is packaging. Nice, taking out everything out of the box and we can't open it. Juice container, pulp container. This is brush, pusher cleaning brushes, or brush. Wonderful. And this kind of feel nice. So let's see what's in this. This doesn't have, oh yeah, it's the smoothie strainer. That means I'm gonna be making, so I'm excited. I'm gonna be making some juices. We are here to help you. That's what the box, and this is really a nice box. Let's start here. That's what it said. You even give the instruction. Let's start here. So I'll go there because knowing me, I just go open and I don't read anything. Then I get all messed up, right? So let's read tonight. Because this, you don't want to get anything damaged. So, all right, so first of all, there's an envelope that says start here. Quick start guide, user manual and recipe book. I'm excited. Wow. Quick start guide. And you have the Norma. Everything probably gonna tell you how to work it here. And this look like some recipes. So we're gonna be making some exciting juices. All right, so let's go here. And as I said, this juicer was recommended to me by Michi Boo. She juices a lot, and I told her my juicer went bad, and she recommended this one. Okay, so they had two colors. They had the white and they had the black. I wanted it to match my kitchen, so I bought the black. I probably can't take this off. So that's part. All right, let's see. We're gonna put these here, and then we're gonna open here. Okay, this is the plug, the wire to plug in. Put all this in here. this is the base. It's nice, heavy base. Okay. All right. So we put anything else here. We're gonna put this away so you can get to see the beauty of it. And really needs to open and see what's going on in this. Since the time I bought it, and the packaging is excellent, excellent and attractive. Okay, I'm gonna watch and see what all of these are, because you know, kind of clumsy girl over here. Okay, so this is the cleaning brush. Brush to clean. Very nice. It's like a toothbrush, and it has a small part to it. Let's see, because I don't want to break anything here. I'll wait and see. So that's the brush for cleaning. Put everything here. I can get to see the beauty of this thing. And this is the smoothie strainer. All right, so let's see how this thing goes. So first of all, I just want to use, I don't want to read the manual because I paid quite a bit of money for this. I'm going to read. All right, so this is it. Everything is here. So, and it said, a warm welcome, thank you, and let your juicing journey begin. So my juicing journey continues. So I always juice. So it's gonna continue. All right, so it said, making cold pressed juices and plant-based milks are a great way of hydrating our body with nutrients. Dense liquid that our juicy gentle extract from vegetable, fruits, and nuts. I hope that you enjoy your purchase and that juicing can become a habit that you embrace for yourself and those around you. If our team or I can assist you in any way, please feel free to reach out to us at any time. We are here to support you along your juicing journey with gratitude and from the founder. Please feel free to email. Of course, if anything goes wrong, we're definitely gonna reach out. But we hope we don't have to. We're gonna enjoy. All right, so first of all, it said, let's see, because I am clumsy. I'm not. That's the chamber here. The chamber here, chamber set. So let's figure this out. So this is a cable. Why I like it, it's about it looks like about 4 feet long. And it has cable. This you use to put it together when not in use, and I like how it has the power cord and it's disconnected. So when you're not in use, you can fold it and put it up. So let's start by doing this, okay? So we're gonna plug this in. All right, just like, let's close this thing up. See? It has 2 strainers, so we're going to be using this one. Fasten in. Right. Okay, we're going to put the agua in. Or maybe it should be like that. Okay. We're gonna get this thing. We're gonna put this here. We're gonna put this here. You could put it. All right. So, and this chain. What part? This part is called the chamber. It has 2 cuts. A small one here, then a large one. So I guess we're gonna look for this part has 2 parts to it. This is a larger part, this is a smaller part. We're gonna put this in just the way it is and let it sit. Okay. All right, so we're gonna use, and this is the hopper. So we're gonna get, there's a part on this that says lock. This lock sign here, so I guess we have to do it like that. So we're gonna try and set it up and turn it. And I think that baby is closed. Now we're gonna put it here. This way, here, this way. Okay, this way. Okay, so we got it. That wasn't too bad. So now this is, we're gonna set up our juice. That's where the juice coming from. And this is where the powder is coming from. And remember, this is the cover, and this is, and we have a brush here. It's a nice quality toothbrush. It's not toothbrush, it's a brush. Nice quality, really strong and firm for cleaning. And you have this small one for more detail in the creases and corners. It does flip up, and you have a brush. Flip up. That's the small part, that's the big part. Okay, I'm really excited to set this thing up. And we have our top, and where we have our on and off button here, our on and off button, and it's the reverse here. I think you kind of have to do like this, back, reverse. So on, off, and reverse. All right, so I'm really excited to get this thing started. It shows you how to put your juice in. You're gonna start, put the leafy one at the bottom, the softer one, and the hard one at top. So you're gonna do, so if you're gonna do like your vegetable juice, start with more than one vegetable. You're gonna use some leafy one, you're gonna use some soft like the oranges, and then you're gonna use medium like cucumber and celery. You put those in the middle, and the hard one like carrots and beetroot you put on top. So you start with the soft, the leafy one, and the soft one. So here we are. Juicer is set. I'm really excited to make a juice, but guess what? I'm gonna have to wash this thing out and get some juice started.